name is Kumud. Today we are going to learn Paint 3D. Click on Start, click on Paint 3D, click on New. Here you have a canvas. You have menu, brushes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes, stickers, text, effects, canvas, and 3D library. To draw 2D shapes, click on 2D shapes. Click on the shape you want to draw. I'm drawing a square. Now drag the mouse button. You have a square. Now let's fill in the shape. Click on brushes. Click in the fill tool. Choose the color. Click inside the shape. Let's learn how to rotate the shapes. Let's select the square. Sorry. Now let's learn how to erase the shape. Click on brushes. Click on the eraser tool. Now erase the shape. You can see it's very thin. Increase the thickness. Let's learn how to draw 3D shapes. Click on 3D shapes. Choose the shape you want to draw. I'm drawing a pyramid. I'm choosing it with green. Here I have a little pyramid. Now let's learn how to rotate this pyramid into the actual form. Now let's turn it. Now let's again turn it. Here we have a pyramid. Now let's try to change color of this pyramid to purple. Click on brushes. Click on the color you want. I'm selecting purple. Click on the shape with fill tool. You have changed the color. Now let's add stickers. Click on stickers. Choose any sticker you want. I'm choosing a rainbow. Now drag your rainbow. You can rotate it as much as you want. If you click on the stamp, you will have a same copy of the rainbow. Click on the commit. Now, let's add text. Click on text. Click on 3D text. Here I have the style or the font of the text. Now let's change the text style to 36. Change the color to purple. Let's make it bold. Click inside the canvas. Now type anything you want. I'm typing apple. Now here you have apple. Let's rotate it to see the 3D form. You can add effect. Click on effect. Click on the color you want. I'm using Canterbury. Let's use the light wheel to see the effects. Here you can see the canvas change. Now let's use 3D library. Let's choose vinyl toy. We can use lipstick. You have it. Let's make it a bit small. Let's use it to turn the lipstick. Now we will see its 3D form. Here you have a cute lipstick. Let's learn how to save this file. Click on Save. Click on Menu. You can save on Save As. Save. Click on 3D model. You have it untitled. You can type it as experiment. Here you go. Save. Thank you.